Hello, so now I'm gonna teach you how to make a glitter text. So now go to Photoscape. First of all, I need you to download the font keyboard. Wait, I'm gonna find the link. I'm gonna go to my history and this or this. There are two choices of this. I'll put the links at the description later. Okay, so click editor, then download the transparent picture. I'll show you how. Images, transparent picture. Wait, torch has crashed. Restore. Transparent picture. And this one, the test. This is the notepad. There, that's the link of the transparent picture. I won't put it on the description anymore. Wait, there, see that? Then just save it. Okay, then add the text there. See the text? The font keyboard, then photo plus objects, then home, click filter, then the noise, get to the highest, there, see, oops, there you have the glitter text, then save it. Okay, then save it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like it. So now, bye bye.